freedom means doing something which you love to do and doing it in a very prosperous way so that you achieve your financial prosperity. How many of you feel that your money is not being utilized in a proper way? There are many people who earn money in terms of their salary. Majority of the people in India park their funds in FDs, RDs, postal office deposits. So today, what I'm going to do, I'm going to discuss about one of the very important topic which is called as financial freedom. So what exactly does financial freedom mean? Financial freedom means doing something which you love to do and doing it in a very prosperous way so that you achieve your financial prosperity. So we should not be worrying about our retirement planning. We should be keeping our funds in such a way that yes, they grow in assets which gives returns better than inflation. So let me ask every one of you, how many of you wanted to achieve your financial freedom as soon as possible? I wanted a raise of hands. Yes? See, I see a lot of members who are very, very interested to achieve financial freedom. So yes, before going to the topic, may I have the permission to introduce about myself? Yeah. So myself, Ganesh Komma, I'm India's leading stock market and finance coach, having an experience of more than 16 plus years in stock market. And I'm an author of 2 wonderful books which are there in Amazon, and those are also in India under best category in 3 categories as an Amazon best-selling author, and even in abroad, in US and UK, it is a best-selling author. And I had an experience of managing portfolio more than 140 plus crores in wealth management, and have been a corporate banker and investment banker, handled more than 5 crores and above loans to companies. So now coming to the topic, financial freedom. So please understand, there are many people who earn money in terms of their salary, who are working professionals, and there are many people from their business as an income, they get money. But how many of you feel that your money is not being utilized in a proper way? Just with the raise of hands. Yeah? So there are many. Without financial education or a proper understanding of assets, majority of the people in India park their funds in FDs, RDs, postal office deposits. So I don't say those are wrong, but you have better avenues to make money. For example, stock markets. How many of you invest in stock markets? With a raise of hands. Yeah, there are very less number of people. Yeah, once again, how many of you invest into stock market? With a raise of hands. Yeah, there are very less people. So the advantage of stock market is you can make money either when the stocks are increasing, you have your short-term investments, long-term investments, and even if people who understand, even in a downwards market, you can hedge your portfolios, right? So how many of you have hedged your portfolios in the 2020 COVID crash or even in the 2008? Anyone? No, right? 1%, yeah, very good. So there are avenues, and people say, sir, we do not know about stock market, so what to do? You have avenues of mutual funds, wherein a portfolio managers will effectively handle your portfolio, which gives you returns better than inflation. And I can tell you one very confident thing, if you are handling your finances properly and if you are keeping in the right asset, stock market investments over a longer period of time can beat all the asset class returns, whatever you call gold, FD, RD, postal office deposits, real estate, etc. How many of you agree with me? With a raise of hand. Yeah? So stock market has that potential. So mutual funds is one way. If you say I do not want to depend on the expertise of the mutual fund manager, you have your index funds, ETF, which tracks the top 50. If let us say I am selecting Nifty 50. Nifty 50 comprises of top 50 companies based on the market capitalization. So you can just invest in them. You need not have any expertise. You need not take any expertise of the mutual fund manager, and it is a low cost fund. How many of you are getting what I am discussing here with a raise of hands, right? Yeah, super. I'm in sync with everyone, right? You're understanding. So yes, if you are parking your funds in the right asset class, and if you do it over a longer period of time, that is called as success in your financial freedom, right? And there is a saying, I don't know how many of you know, rule of 72. If you compound your money by 23% every year, in 3 years, you double your capital. How many of you know this? Rule of 72, right? We have at least learned in schools or colleges. I'm just reminding everyone this, right? And you continue the same process for 10 years, you make 10 times of your corpus, right? And as said by a legendary investor, Mr. Warren Buffett, everyone heard his name? Yeah? Super. So Warren Buffett said, if you don't make your money work for you while you are sleeping, you have to work till you die. How many of you can resonate this? Yeah? I repeat, if you don't make your money work for you while you are sleeping, you have to work till you die. And the same quote you find in Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki book, right? So yes, so how can you make money work for you even while you are sleeping in terms of your stocks, capital appreciation, in terms of your mutual funds or stocks, dividend income, in terms of your IPO, initial public offer listing gains, ETF investments, right? Gold. Physical gold is good, right? There is no discussion on this with a lovely woman here, right? Physical gold is good. But you should also look at digital gold, right? ETFs are there. Nifty beasts there, right? Digital gold in the form of grams, which tracks the exact gold price, right? So I just want to leave this discussion with one quote. You are working hard as a business, as a working professional in terms of salaries, in terms of profit or income from business, but always ensure you make your money work for you even while you sleep. That is how you achieve your financial freedom at the earliest, okay? So now here, I can just tell you one more thing. As I'm a stock market coach, I conduct every week a 2 hours free webinar. So if any one of you wanted to know more about it or wanted to ask me more questions, just pull out your mobile. I'll just give you a link. It is ganeshkomma.com, right? My name Ganesh Komma, as you see, KOMMA /join, right? So it's a free workshop which I conduct for 2 hours. In the future, it may be paid. But yes, anyone who wanted to explore more about investments, be it on short-term, long-term, intraday trading, or as a Warren Buffett way of investing, just go to that site, ganeshkomma.com, my website, /join, and you can register for the free workshop. Yeah. So thanks everyone for giving me this wonderful opportunity, and I'm sure I have made justice to the 5 minutes or 7 minutes time I have been given. Yeah. Thank you everyone. Thank you.